React 19 is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. It's known for its component-based architecture and efficient rendering. With new features and hooks, React 19 offers developers powerful tools for building modern web applications. React has gained popularity for its declarative approach to UI development. This means developers can focus on what the UI should look like at any given state, rather than how to achieve it through imperative DOM manipulations. React 19 builds upon this foundation, introducing features that further enhance developer productivity and application performance. This guide explores the key features of React 19. We will delve into the new hooks, server-side rendering capabilities, and the advantages of its component-based architecture. Whether you're a seasoned React developer or just starting, this guide will provide you with valuable insights into the latest advancements in React. React 19 introduces new hooks that streamline state updates and simplify asynchronous operations. The hook allows developers to optimistically update the UI before receiving confirmation from the server. This creates a smoother user experience by providing immediate feedback. The hook provides a centralized way to manage state updates triggered by user actions. By abstracting away the complexities of state management, this hook simplifies the process of handling user interactions and updating the UI accordingly. These enhancements to the API give developers more flexibility in managing asynchronous operations. This is crucial for modern web applications that heavily rely on fetching data from servers and handling real-time updates. React 19 introduces React Server Components, a major advancement in server-side rendering. RSCs allow developers to render components on the server and send the pre-rendered HTML to the client. This significantly improves the initial load time of the application, as the user doesn't have to wait for the JavaScript to load and execute before seeing the content. React's component-based architecture is another key strength. Components are like building blocks that encapsulate UI elements and their functionality. This promotes code reusability and makes it easier to maintain and scale applications as they grow in complexity. By breaking down the UI into smaller, reusable components, developers can create complex applications with ease. This modular approach also makes it easier to test individual components in isolation, ensuring code quality and reducing the likelihood of bugs. React's virtual DOM is a key factor in its efficiency. It acts as a lightweight representation of the actual DOM, allowing React to perform updates efficiently. When a component's state changes, React updates the virtual DOM first. It then compares the updated virtual DOM with the previous version, and only updates the actual DOM elements that have changed. React has a large and active community, providing ample resources for learning and support. Its popularity also means it integrates seamlessly with other popular libraries and tools, such as Redux for state management and React Router for routing. This vibrant ecosystem makes React a versatile choice for web development. Whether you need to build a simple single-page application or a complex web application with intricate user interfaces, React provides the tools and the community support to help you succeed.